Hello everybody, Nolan with Black Diamond Services. Doing a continuation of the previous video. Using the truck mount forums, Formula 99, a new rinsing agent they put out recently. Doing a commercial carpet that this guy has in the back of his house for his gym. So far, I am liking what I am seeing. Now, a little background on the product. I don't know everything about it. Like I said, just bought some to test it out. It's strictly rinsing, so the only thing I did is pre-back because there was a lot of debris and dog hair in the carpet, so I pre-backed really well. And so this is no pre-spray. I'm using this carpet as a guinea pig. Not too concerned about it. I did this red area rug over there and this here, he had me put them there. Major difference in the outcome on those. There's some brown miscellaneous spots on the area rug. That red rug, he said it used to be in the kitchen, so you can imagine that's food and whatnot, and they popped right out. The rug brightened right up. And then this poly over here was pretty dirty too, and it cleaned really well. So I'm actually pretty impressed. I threw those rugs in for him. I didn't charge for those because I was using it as a guinea pig to clean with this product from Truck Mount Forums. So I wanted to show you guys my sight glass. I'm just going to put a little bit down. So you can see what this carpet is. It's dirty. See that brown? During my back strokes, it's completely clear. And then what I do afterwards is some dry strokes to make sure that I'm not getting any more brown through. So if I have to go over it again, I know at that point it needs an extra time over. This carpet doesn't have any major stains in it. Like I said, it's just the guy's gym. So it's mostly just traffic soil. So the real test was more so on those area rugs. If you go back and watch previous videos, you'll see me using it on those. That rug there is pretty messed up. Kind of old, a cheap rug he said he got for like 50 bucks. So, it's sitting in his living room and food's gotten on it and other miscellaneous stuff. So, for what it is and how old it is, and how worn out it is, it completely changed colors. So I was a little impressed. Like I said, I'm just testing this product out to see how it works on a couple different carpets. Doesn't want me moving anything. Just go up to as close as everything I can. But so far I'm impressed with this stuff. I'd like to see it on a little bit heavier traffic place. I may test it on one of my commercial accounts I got coming up next month, or early next month, here in December 2019, just to see how well it works. It's a client that I take care of every 6 months, because if this makes that big of a difference and gets the job done, it's going to speed up your cleaning time, which is important to any business owner. If you can do a good job in less time, you are now becoming more efficient. So that's important. Now, I don't want to sacrifice cleaning power, but if this stuff takes care of it, then I'm all for it. pre-vac of this job. That should be posted up previous to this video. I try and post them in the order always of the cleaning. That way it's easy to go along with me in my jobs. I don't always get to video every single one of them, but I do try as often as possible. Just gonna have to vacuum that up. The Glide has got too small of ports, which is meant for a specific reason, but some items just don't get vacuumed up very well with it. So show you one more time. Over here. See, it's white right now. Darkens up. Stuff does a pretty good job so far. Can't wait to try it on a carpet with some more stains on it, see how well it cuts. But for now, I'm satisfied with the results. Thank you, Truck Mount Forums. Yet again, another good product, in my opinion. And I'm going back over every area. I'm not getting any more additional dirt flying through my sight glass here. It's not getting all brown and stained with the same color of the cleaner. So that's good news. Alright guys, Nolan and Black Diamond Services, thank you for watching. Thank you Truck Mount Forums for this Formula 99 rinsing agent. I am liking it. Appreciate you guys putting out quality products. And so far, so good. 2 area rugs and a commercial carpet. As you can see over here, pretty dirty looking brown areas. But this stuff's been taking everything out so far, so I'm satisfied with it. If anything needs touch up, I'll be going back to it, but so far it hasn't, so thank you. Appreciate everybody that's watched this far. If you like this video, please thumbs up it so others can see it and enjoy it too. Leave me a comment if you'd like. Appreciate your time. Have a great day.